Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracy, and today we are going to learn about okay the terms. Let me say the words used in spreadsheet. And then before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know to miss interesting updates in future. So I think we should start with the workbook. Just now, our book is the entire file that holds one or more worksheets. Like the whole of this one is a workbook. Then when we talk about a worksheet, let me say there are individual pages within a workbook where data is entered and stored. And just now, each worksheet consists of cells arranged in rows and columns. And you can use different sheets for different sets of data that are related but need to be kept separated for clarity. So we go to the next one, that is a cell. You can see this is a cell. Okay, let's say this one here is a cell. It's just a single rectangular box, as you can see within the grid of a spreadsheet. And it's where you can input and manage individual pieces of data like numbers, dates, formulas. Yeah. We go to a cell reference. A cell reference in a spreadsheet. Okay, it's just a way to identify and refer to a specific cell or group of cells in a worksheet. Just know it consists of a column and a rows. For example, when I talk about, let me say, A1, which is this one, it refers to like the cell is located at column A, which is this one, and row 1, which is this one. And this reference is used in formulas to instruct the spreadsheet on which cells data to use for calculations. I think, yeah, we are done there. We go to a name box. Okay, a name box in a spreadsheet is a small field or a text box located near the formula bar. As you can see here is the formula bar. Typically to the left, then this one to the left of the formula. Input field, yeah, is this one. It inputs important role in navigation and referencing within a spreadsheet. Like here, as we said before, this one is column A and in row 1. Obviously, when you tap on it, it's just going to automatically be displayed in the name box. And I think, yeah, we go to the formula bar. The formula bar is in a spreadsheet. Is a just now is a crucial tool that allows you to view, enter and edit data formulas when you're doing your calculation. And okay, here is your number. Here's the phone number. And I think from the formula bar we can go to the formula helps to calculate the value of a cell. Okay, when you're dealing with an expression, like we can use this formula when you're saying, when you're calculating, let me say put a sum here, put a total here, start to equal to sum goes to sum. You start from here to here. Obviously, it's through their formula. Then when you go to functions, there's no functions are predefined formulas that perform calculation using specific values. Okay, they're called arguments in a particular ordering. When we are commenting, we use the if function to help us. It's like you're just arguing if this and this is greater or equals to the way we comment. Yeah, that is it. We're done with the terms, and let's talk about some of the errors. Some of the errors in Excel. Okay, there's no errors in Excel can occur for various reasons, ranging from incorrect formula to data issues. And okay, let me see if I can generate some here, like here, equals to, when I'm writing, sorry, let me see here, when we want to divide something here, equals to, sorry, like, let's change this one to 0. This one to 0. Then we try to divide here. Start by equals to. This is B1, B2, B2. Divide by this, the 11. Then we enter this one. This one is used. Okay, it occurs as you have seen. Okay, the way we entered the data, it occurs when a formula attempts to divide a number by 0. As we divide it, it's B2 by D9. As we divide it, is B2 and D9 is 0, and the report for us this error. And also there is an error which happens when Excel doesn't recognize the text in a formula. It can be because you have misspelled the function names or using text without quotes and things. Here, when I'm trying to add, sorry, here, when I'm trying to add equals to, then I write some sign, I put a bracket, then I add from here to here, then I enter. You see it brought this one. When I entered, when the whatever Excel doesn't recognize the formula, it was a wrong formula. Instead of writing sum, I wrote sum. And then, okay, there are very many errors. So I think we shall talk about more in the next video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for you not to miss interesting updates in the future. So thanks for watching my video.